We're going to cook in the...
It's a video. It's a video. It's a video. It's a video. No, so go on with the
So what's up? This is what I'm talking about.
Oh snap! Oh my God! It's so sweet. So good.
Hey!
It's too rich.
So wait. So as we're going with the meeting. So what are we doing?
Joel's gonna take care of food.
I'm Lori.
We're gonna cook it. So we're gonna take registration.
How much?
We're gonna say $5. That's including everything. Food, drink.
Unit head.
Well, I'm thinking you still have the old details.
What was that? Utensil in it.
Oh, yung utensil.
Can I see what you're eating? What are you eating? What are you eating?
I thought this is ongoing.
Something good that I don't want to give you.
Okay.
And if it rains?
Huh? This is gonna be nice. If it rains, well.
If it's rains, there's a...
We blame Chardee.
There's a shed over there. There's a shed.
We blame Chardee.
What was it? What was it? What was it?
When it rains, we blame Chardee. We're gonna be in the shade. I'm gonna be in the exposure. We blame it.
If it's
What time?
Huh?
all time 8 o'clock. 8:30, no? 8:30. We have to be there 8:30.
Wipe your mouth, Janice. Wipe it.
8:30. So we're going 9:30, but the service team.
Be there.
And our topic is about
Pig.
men and women, right?
Yes.
Something about.
J.O. does that. He steals food all the time.
No.
Sabi mo about men and women, about why we can't trust men. Just kidding.
Oh, that was caught on video too. Ay, nako, ano ba yan?
I trust men. Most especially women.
Okay, there you go. Charlie, how's your dessert?
I
truck?
like women. Thanks to the food network.
he's in denial.
Very denial.
Men.
I like men,
Agua.
but most especially
Agua.
women. I want agua right now.
Thank you, Food Network.
For our sponsors.
Thank you for coming to my party.
Dessert truck. Yes. Happy birthday, Janet.
All right, one more look at dessert truck. Yeah.
And wait, and a shout out goes to Glory and Leslie wherever you are. We love you. We miss you.
Love you, Leslie.
Who's Glory? Who's Leslie? Who's that?
What?
Water.
Can't finish it.
All right, should I end the video?
Rate it.
And there's more here too.
Come on, make the video interesting.
So rich.
Way too close. Ew.
Oh no!
No.
White shirt.
Not the white shirt. Hey, look at Charlie's belly.
You're gonna have one too.
Say hi, Mary Jane. Hi, Mary Jane. Hello.
Ano ka ba? Start out. Ito pa, Chard. Kinuha mo na ng mga piti.
My gosh, they keep going. Look, mine is still there, sitting there because I'm videotaping.
I'm gonna go out.
Yo, where are we headed? Where are we headed to next?
Chips, jelly beans, Swedish fish.
Elf, where are we headed to next? Elfie, where are we headed to next?
Hi!
They're not listening to me.
I tell you, I'm like my students, but no, wait, no.
Oh my God, Chardee,
Where's the love, bro?
yours is not enough, Chard.
Basta ako may tubig ako sa kotse.
There's the love.
Alright, let's look at New York. There's McDonald's. There's... Oh snap, they're leaving me. That's fine.